Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet flower, and this is so simple and easy to make, and you can use this in any of your project. And I hope you will like my video. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. And for this flower I'm using medium yarn, and the hook size is 3.5 mm. And now I'm going to start the flower. For the flower we have to make a magic ring. After making a magic ring, we have to make chain 2, then 15 double crochet in the ring. This will be the round 1. We have to make 15 double crochet in the ring. After completing the 15 double crochet in the ring, we will pull the yarn to join the sides or to tighten up the ring. Now slip stitch in first double crochet to end up the round, or join the sides by using needle. I'm taking the other yarn, making a slip knot, taking the yarn on the circle, then chain 4, skip 1 chain, single crochet in the next stitch. Now again chain 4, or chain 2, turn the side, and 9 double crochet in the chain space. We have to make 9 double crochet in this chain space. After completing the 9 double crochet in the chain space, we will turn the side again and 1 single crochet in the same stitch before, as you can see. Now we have to make chain 3, and we'll skip 1 chain, single crochet in the next stitch. Now chain 2, and we'll turn the side. Now 9 double crochet in this chain space. we have to repeat the same procedure till the end, and we will create a flower by using this pattern. I hope you will like my video, and please do subscribe, like and share my channel with your loved ones who want to learn the crochet. There are so many videos on my YouTube channel for the beginners as well. So here is the final look of our flower. See, this is so beautiful and simple to make, easy to make. For the more videos, stay tuned. Thank you so much.